So just how much rent do you think I pay for a place like this, guys? That's right. It's for a 2-bed and 2-bath house. All bills are included. That's gas, water, electricity, everything, including the cleaner that comes 3 times a week. What more could one want on an island? Welcome to Nombre Town, located in the northwesterly tip of the Ungunja Island, also known as Zanzibar Island. It's home for many things. Personally, I like to call it the Ibiza of the island and the home of the best beach on the island. Traditionally, it was known as a fishing village and a building center for the fishing dough boats. It's home for the turtle conservation. You might have seen it on Instagram. But now it is thriving with tourism. And behind these turquoise blue waters, a 5-minute walk from the beach, is a village called Nungwi Village. The people of Nungwi are warm and kind, and everyone involved in the tourism of Nombre Town resides in this village. Oh, we can't forget Manchester, the favorite chill out spot. Anyways, getting back to what I was saying, it is the driving force of Nombre Town, and it happens to be my home. Karibu nyumbani kwangu. Welcome to my home. Hello and welcome, guys. So this is actually where I live, my humble abode in the village. For those of you who've just tuned in, welcome to my channel. And for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. So I want to show you guys where I live in the beautiful village of Nungwi. Let me show you around the place. So this is my living room. The living room. It's very spacious, very white and airy, as you can see from the walls. Keeps the room super cool. Let me take you through to the bedroom. Oh, and this is the kitchen area. I barely ever use the kitchen because I always eat out every single day, and I only have one hob on the stove, so come on in. This is my bedroom, the master bedroom. No, it doesn't really. But yeah, this is the master bedroom. It's very spacious, as you can see. It's like my bedroom slash studio. When I'm on the laptop, studio, bedroom slash studio. It's very dark, as you can see. I can't seem to get this room any brighter. This is a reasonable sized room for the price I pay, and I've got an ensuite bathroom. As you can see, my shower, my toilet, and just a box standard bathroom, nothing fancy. And I have a second bedroom in the house. I'm actually not sure where I placed the key for the second bedroom, but in here is the second bedroom. It's just like my bedroom, except that it's not en suite. And I have another bathroom through here. So this bathroom is for my guests and anyone sleeping in the second bedroom. Box standard. What more could you want? Finding a rental place on Zanzibar Island as a foreigner is pretty straightforward. With apps such as Facebook, it has made connecting with local landlords so much easier. That's exactly how I found my place. Remember I said I don't cook at home? That's because my neighbor has got my back. As we're in the season of Ramadan, sharing is caring, so I'm a regular at my neighbor's house for iftar. That's interesting. Right, okay. Oh wow.
You manage to use that.
So just how much rent do you think I pay for a place like this, guys? That's right, $300 for a 2-bed and 2-bath house. All bills are included. That's gas, water, electricity, everything, including the cleaner that comes 3 times a week. What more could one want on an island? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And for any further questions about living in Zanzibar, please don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm the Afro Traveller and thank you for watching, guys.